Feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list? Let's fix that in 90 seconds with 3 simple lifestyle hacks that will completely change your game. First up, meal prepping. I know, it sounds like a lot of work, but hear me out. Spend just 2 hours on a Sunday chopping veggies, cooking grains, and grilling some protein. Boom! You've got healthy, ready-to-go meals for the entire week. No more last-minute takeout or staring into an empty fridge. It saves time, money, and stress. Next, let's talk goals. Instead of a huge, scary goal, break it down into tiny, bite-sized pieces. Want to write a book? Start with 1 sentence a day. Want to run a marathon? Start by walking for 10 minutes. These small wins build momentum and make your big dreams feel so much more achievable. Finally, decluttering. It's not just about your space, it's about your mind. Try the 1 in, 1 out rule. Every time you bring something new into your home, get rid of something else. This simple habit keeps clutter from piling up and leaves you with a clearer, more focused mind. Try these out and watch your productivity soar. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Thanks for watching.